Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Skool for free for 14 days. So if you don't know about Skool just yet, Skool is an online community platform that emphasizes on community building. In addition to that, you can set up online courses on Skool, and you can also go ahead and set up membership leaderboards, which is kind of like a gamified feature of Skool, where if people interact with each other, they start to build points, and then they level up. And then with that being said, managers of communities can actually have certain courses unlocked at certain levels. So there's like this whole gamification feature of Skool. But in order to get that 14-day free trial of Skool, what you want to do is that you want to use my link down below. And if you sign up for Skool using my link down below, you're going to get 14 days free, okay? Skool normally costs $99, but within that 14 days, you'll be able to test out Skool. You can create as many communities as you want. You can invite certain members. So I come from a background of using Kajabi, and I think Skool is absolutely amazing just because I believe that community building is the new wave right now. And that's something that Kajabi really didn't have that was working too well, which was like the community aspect. With Kajabi, you always had to have community somewhere else outside of the platform. But at least with Skool, everything is all in one. So you have your community on here, you have your classroom, you have your calendar meetups, you have your members. And again, if you want that 14-day free trial, you can use my link down below in order to get Skool for free for 14 days. I hope you found this video helpful, guys, but do check it out.